Oh, brilliant. Translating every word in your head right now, aren't you? Your brain's working overtime for no reason. Today, 6 tricks to stop that nonsense. Think straight in English. No more delays. Stay. It works. Quick question. Right now, as we're speaking, are you quietly translating every single word into your own language? Be honest. Yes? Then you're working twice as hard as you need to, and it's killing your fluency.
But imagine this. You hear English and you just understand. No detour, no mental gymnastics. You respond instantly, naturally, like a native. Today, we're giving you 6 proven strategies to make that happen. Not theory, real techniques you can start using in the next 5 minutes. Stay with us. Your brain will thank you. Let's begin.
So why is translating such a problem? Simple. It adds extra steps your brain doesn't need. Native speakers. Hear English. Think. Respond. 2 steps. You, right now. Hear English. Translate to your language. Think. Translate back. Respond. 4 steps. That's why conversations feel exhausting. That's why you hesitate in real talks. That's why movies are easy with subtitles, but impossible without them.
Your brain is stuck in traffic. Today, we're clearing the road permanently. First strategy. Stop building sentences word by word. Instead, use ready-made micro chunks. Natural phrases you fire off automatically. Example, instead of translating, I'm preparing myself, just say the chunk, I'm getting ready. No energy today? Don't think long. Say, I can't be bothered. Are you free tonight? A chunk thinker says, let me check, instantly. You already do this in your own language all day. Now do the same in English. Pause the video. Think of one daily situation and replace translation with a chunk, you know.
Strategy 2. The 3-second rule. Someone asks you something in English, force an answer in 3 seconds max. 1, 2, 3. No time for translation. Your brain skips straight to meaning. Can't find the perfect word? Use a simple one. Weather bad beats 10 seconds of silence every time.
Strategy 3. Create English bubbles. Safe zones where translation is banned. Narrate your cooking in English. Describe your walk. Set your phone to English. Do 10 minutes English only every evening. These bubbles grow until one day your whole day is in English. Strategy 4. Talk to yourself in simple English, using words you already know. I wake up, need coffee, wear phone, oh, on table. No complex sentences needed. Keep it easy. This builds automatic thinking.
Strategy 5. Image to word connection. Like when we were kids. See an apple. Apple pops up. Not translation, direct link. Practice. Look around you right now. Name 5 things in English instantly. No translating allowed.
My favourite strategy 6, the bedtime replay. Every night before sleep, replay your day in simple English in your head. Today, busy, woke up late, had meeting, felt tired. Your brain is super receptive at bedtime. This locks in patterns and many learners start dreaming in English.
Quick mistakes to avoid. Don't look up every unknown word, describe it. Instead, the thing for boiling water. Don't aim for perfect sentences. Simple is powerful. Don't wait to speak. Mistakes are your fastest teacher. You've got 6 real strategies now. Pick one and start today.
Which will you try first? The 3-second rule, bedtime replay? Tell us in the comments. We'll reply.
This isn't overnight magic, but every day you use these translation fades and real thinking in English takes over.
You're closer than you think. Thank you for practicing with listen and speak. Like, if you're ready to stop translating, subscribe for more direct English techniques. Keep listening and start thinking in English.